Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need access to the channel and YouTube Studio. Do that first. Once signed in, click Analytics, then Overview and focus on watch time, hours, and views. These show total engagement. Right away, pick a date range like last 28 days, 90 days, or lifetime so you measure what matters. This matters because watch time influences monetization eligibility and the algorithm, so start here to get a baseline, make sure you're on the right channel, and move to deeper metrics without delay. Once done with Overview, switch to Advanced Mode to break watch time down by video, traffic source, and audience retention. This is where the how and why become actionable. Use Comparison View to see growth versus previous periods and apply filters for geography or device to find patterns. Export a CSV when you need more than the UI offers, because offline sorting and aggregation let you rank videos by total watch time. Make notes on which thumbnails, durations, and sources drive the highest watch time. To finish, create a custom report grouping by video and sorting by watch time so you can repeat this process quickly. Then act. Optimize thumbnails, tweak titles, and experiment with video length where retention dips, because those changes raise average watch time. If something is wrong, metrics missing, or low, verify you're the channel owner, confirm analytics access, and wait up to 48 hours for data processing. If issues persist, clear filters and re-export. That troubleshooting step fixes most common watch time problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.